Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to my channel Yarnoculus. This is part 13 of my lowercase alphabet blanket, and the agenda for today is to complete rows number 135 to 152. So today I'm not going to take a lot of your time like I usually do and take you straight to the pattern. But if you're new here, just know that all of the previous parts are neatly arranged in a playlist right here, and I would definitely recommend going from part number 1, which has all the details that you need to get started on this blanket, and that will get you up to speed on this beautiful pattern. Okay, and it would mean the world to me if you subscribe to my channel and join me in my crochet journey. Like I said, I'm not going to take a lot of your time today, so let's go straight to the pattern for row number 135. Let's go. Okay everyone, so I'm done with row number 134, which was a row of single crochet in every stitch. So let's go ahead and do row number 135. So for row number 135, as usual, chain 1, turn your work and start with 6 single crochets and a bobble stitch. Okay, do 11 single crochets after the bobble. A bobble in the next stitch. Seven single crochets after that. A bobble in the next. Six single crochets next. And then do 4 pairs of a bobble stitch and a single crochet. After the 4th bobble, put 6 single crochets. A bobble in the next. Eight single crochets next. Bobble in the next. Ten single crochets after that. Bobble in the next. Six single crochets. Bobble in the next. Four single crochets. A bobble. Seven single crochets. A bobble in the next stitch. Seven single crochets next. Bobble in the next. 11 single crochets after that. Put a bobble in the next stitch. And to end this row, let's do 6 single crochets. Okay, that's row number 135. For row number 136, chain 1, turn your work, and row number 136 is gonna be a row of single crochet in every stitch. So get row number 136 done and come back for row number 137. Okay everyone, so I'm done with row number 136, and for row number 137, let's chain 1 and turn your work. And then we'll start with 6 single crochets and a bobble stitch. Okay, do 11 single crochets after that. A bobble in the next. Seven single crochets next. A bobble after that. Four single crochets next. Bobble. Single crochet after the bobble and a bobble in the next stitch. Okay, let's do 5 single crochets after that. A bobble in the next. Six single crochets next. Bobble in the next. Eight single crochets after that. Bobble in the next. Ten single crochets next. Bobble after that. Six single crochets after the bobble. A bobble in the next stitch. Four single crochets next. Bobble after that. 7 single crochets after the bobble. Bobble in the next stitch. Put 7 single crochets again. bobble after that, and 11 single crochets after the bobble. Put a bobble after the 11 single crochets. And let's end this row just like you started with 6 single crochets. Okay, that was row number 137. For row 138, chain 1, turn your work and do a row of single crochet in every stitch. That's gonna be row number 138, and come back for row number 139. After row number 138, row 139 is exactly similar to row number 137 that we just did. So the pattern for row number 139 is gonna look like this. Get that done, and you can also go ahead and do row number 140, which is a row of single crochet in every stitch. So get these two rows done and meet me back for row number 141. Alright everyone, so now that I'm done with row number 140, for row number 141, let's chain 1 and turn the work. And for row number 141, let's start with 6 single crochets and a bobble stitch. And do 11 single crochets after that. Put a bobble in the next stitch. Single crochet, a bobble, five single crochets after that, bobble in the next, seven single crochets after that bobble, and then do 3 pairs of a bobble stitch and a single crochet. Okay, after the third bobble, put 7 single crochets. A bobble in the next, eight single crochets after that, and then we need 3 pairs of a bobble stitch and a single crochet. Do 6 single crochets after the third bobble. Bobble after the 6 single crochets. Seven single crochets after that. And then we need 4 pairs of a bobble stitch and a single crochet. 5 single crochets after the 4th bobble stitch, bobble stitch after that, five single crochets next, put a bobble in the next stitch, single crochet after that, bobble in the next, and 11 single crochets after that. Put a bobble in the next stitch, and let's end this row with 6 single crochets. Okay, that was row 141. For row 142, chain 1, turn your work, and row number 142 is gonna be a row of single crochet in every stitch. So this row of D, E, F, G and H is almost done. After row 142, you need to repeat rows 31 to 40, and that's gonna complete this row and start the next row, which is gonna be the last row in our blanket. Okay, so the repeat of the 10 rows from row 31 to 40 is gonna take you to row number 152, and the pattern for the next 10 rows is gonna look like this. Okay, so get the next few rows done and meet me back for row number 153. Alright everyone, I think this is a good time to stop here for today. That was row number 152 that we stopped on, and I'm gonna be back with part number 14 next week. So until then, please let me know if you like my work and my videos in the comments below, and if you have any questions or feedback for me, I would love to hear them out. Alright then, I'm gonna see you soon next week. Till then, take care and happy crocheting.